In example number 2, this is another one where we're told to use substitution first when we go to solve this system of equations. Since that third equation is already in the form x equals, something with z's in it, I'm going to take that and I'm going to substitute that in for my x in my second equation and in my first equation. My first equation now becomes 4 times, make sure when you plug that in it goes in parentheses, 4 times 3 minus 2z plus 4y plus z equals negative 6. And my second equation, when I plug in, gives me negative 3 times in parentheses 3 minus 2z plus 2y plus z equals 3. Let me focus on that first equation right now. I'm going to go and distribute that 4. 12 minus 8z plus 4y plus z equals negative 6. Combining like terms, I get 12 minus 7z plus 4y equals negative 6. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. I'm also going to switch the order of my y's and z's, and I'm going to get 4y minus 7z equals negative 18. In the second one, I get negative 9 plus 6z plus 2y plus z equals 3. Combining like terms, I get negative 9 plus 2y plus 7z equals 3. Add 9 to both sides, and we get 2y plus 7z equals 12. So now I need to solve this system. Going back to those directions, they said to solve using substitution as a first step. It's completely okay at this point to continue solving using elimination. So I think that's what I'm going to do, because it would be easiest to eliminate the y's here rather than try to solve for a variable and then use substitution. So I'm going to pair these up. Actually, I take that back. The y's wouldn't be hard, but the z's would be even easier. So let's eliminate the z's. 6y equals negative 6. Divide by 6, and y should equal negative 1. Plug into a two-variable equation. I'm going to go with my 2y plus 7z equals 12. So plugging in, I get 2 times negative 1 minus 7z equals 12. Negative 2 plus 7z equals 12 plus 2 plus 2. 7z equals 14. Divide, and you'll get z equals 2. Now we need to plug in to find x. I think the easiest way here would be to use that equation that was already in the form x equals. So x equals 3 minus 2z. So x equals 3 minus 2 times 2. X equals 3 minus 4. X equals negative 1. My ordered triple here is negative 1, comma negative 1, comma 2.